This is foam rolling your thoracic spine. We want to increase your thoracic extension. Get your foam roll, lay it on your upper back, engage the core musculature, hands behind the head, pick your butt up, and we're going to roll the spine first, looking for any tight spots. When you find one, lean into it. Spend about 30 seconds doing this. Then we're going to start at the bottom of your upper back, put your butt down, and we're going to arch over the foam roller, keeping that core engaged. And then pull your chin into your chest. And we're opening up over that foam roll. We're going to roll down a little bit, and we're going to do the same thing up the spine. Continue on up the upper back, opening up that chest,